As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the Weber Q1000 and the Napoleon Phantom Rogue SE425. Big difference in price right off the bat. Weber's around $229, while the Napoleon is a cool $1,249.
Yeah, huge price gap. So what are we getting for that extra grand with the Napoleon?
Well, size is a big factor. The Weber's got a cooking area of 189 square inches, good for a small family or tailgating. The Napoleon, though, boasts a whopping 570 square inches. It's a full-sized grill.
Makes sense. What about burners?
Weber has just one stainless steel burner, putting out 8,500 BTU. The Napoleon? 4 main burners, plus an infrared rear burner and an infrared side burner. Talk about versatility.
Infrared, huh? That's for searing, right?
Exactly. The Napoleon is all about high heat and getting that perfect sear. The Weber is more straightforward. Good for burgers and dogs, but not so much for fancy grilling.
So the Napoleon is for the serious griller then?
Definitely. It's got stainless steel cooking grids, folding shelves, and even locking caster wheels. It's a whole outdoor kitchen setup. The Weber is much simpler. Cast aluminum construction, push-button ignition, and it runs on disposable propane cylinders. Super portable.
What about materials?
The Weber is porcelain enameled cast iron and cast aluminum. The Napoleon is stainless steel everywhere. Frame, handle, everything. Much more durable, I'd imagine.
Makes sense given the price. One's a portable, the other's a permanent fixture. Anything else stand out?
The Napoleon has a 15-year warranty, which is pretty impressive. The Weber has a 5-year limited warranty. And the Napoleon only has one review, while the Weber has over 4,000. People seem to love the Weber for what it is.
Good point. So if you want a basic portable grill for occasional use, the Weber seems like a solid choice. But if you're serious about grilling and want all the bells and whistles, the Napoleon is the way to go if you can afford it.
Precisely. It all comes down to your needs and budget. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.